Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to find phone number on Facebook PC. We start by opening Facebook and clicking on the account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Here we will click on Account Center. After that, we will enter the Personal Details option and then on Contact Info. Here we can see our information about the phone number. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.